Xsense has sent me another product to review, this little baby here. If you're a regular viewer to my channel, you will know I've already done a review of something else. And I've still got one sitting on my desk at the moment. This is a water sensor. So if you get a leak, say I don't know, your kitchen sink is leaking underneath or your washing machine, this should detect it. And the way it works is, got a little sensor on the top, so if the water's dripping on, it will go into that little dip there and set it off. Or if it goes underneath, there's a sensor there to pick it up. So if you're interested in something like that, watch this video, and at the end I will stick a link into this video, or if you don't want to watch this video, I will stick a link in the video description to this video. Alright, so I want to get that out of the way. So yeah, so Xsense sent me the smart thermometer hygrometer with base station. Now I've had a look on Amazon, and you can order these individually. So if you wanted an extra one, you can order it, but you need the base station first, okay? Something to bear in mind, just in case. I'm not sure how many you can connect together, but hopefully you can connect quite a few. We will be testing this. We will go through a setup as well, because we want to know how easy it is to set up. So with that, let's get on with it, shall we? So we have a couple of Q codes, one for Apple and one for Google, so Android. It tells you what you're getting in the pack, the base station, and you're getting 3 sensors. I am going to try one out in the fridge, because it does say it can go down to, so I did see it somewhere, -20 and up to 60 Celsius. So it should work in the fridge, shouldn't it? And it's a new improved one, I believe. Now I can't get it out, can I? Let's see how easy it is. Oh, there you go, sorted. As always, I will stick links in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. They will be affiliated links, but they don't cost you any more money. And at the time of making this video, they got a 25% voucher. I'm not sure how long that will last, so if you're interested, get it now rather than later. So instructions, which you would expect anyway. A plug for USB for powering it up, and I'm guessing that will be for the base station, not for the other bits. I do believe they're wireless and batteryless, or you put batteries in them. They should last quite a long time, so you get 6 batteries and you've got 3 sensors. That makes perfect sense. You get 3 little tags or ties. Not sure what that is. Might be to label them up. So you get 3 little labels, and your batteries, like I just said. You're going to need them for your sensors. Now you might be thinking, well, what would you use them for? Well, one, put it in the fridge, make sure it's running at the right temperature. You might save yourself a bit of money thinking, oh, I've got that too cold, haven't I? Yeah? I'm just guessing. You've got a greenhouse, want to monitor your greenhouse temperature, your living room, your baby's room, things like that. You never know. So I'll tell you what, I'm going to get her out, I'm going to have a quick read the instructions, see how easy it is to set up, and I'll get back to you. But yeah, basically, that is it. You get all that, that and that. Job done. So let's set her up, shall we? Right, first things first, you need to download the actual software and do an install, and I've already done that because I've already got the water leak one, which I showed you earlier. This little baby here, yeah? Makes sense? So that is them. They're all online and running. I've had no issues with them whatsoever. And they've got a range exactly the same as these, which is, I think it's 1,700 feet approximately, depending on what's stopping it. So once you set up your account, you will need to set up your account. Hit the plus button, and we want that one, the thermo hygrometers, that baby there. Now I haven't plugged it in yet. I'm not sure where it's going to go, so I'm going to leave it set to that kitchen. But obviously you can customise and change it to whatever you want. But like I said, I'm not sure where I'm putting it, so I'm going to plug her in. And I haven't put the batteries in yet, neither. So plug that in. It should start flashing or doing something. There you go. Give it a couple of seconds. You will have to log into your Wi-Fi as well. Mine's on dual band and it should work I'm pretty sure I've done it last time with the dual band on, but you must have 2.4 turned on. Wi-Fi that is. So click on next. Remove the back cover from the device. Oh, hang on, we need to do the base unit first. Go back. Am I missing something here? Ah, base station. Let's do the base station first. Base station. Oh, which one do I have? I think it's one of these, isn't it? Oh, you can only have one base station. Now that's interesting. Right, I didn't know that, so I don't need this one because I've already got one base station already set up. So I'm going to unplug that baby. I've got my original base unit, it's already been set up, so I don't really need this one. But like I said, if you need to know how to set it up, watch the other video, okay? So, it says, and I've took the cover back off, I need to press that. And it says, press it twice quickly. There should be a flashing light, and it's flashing, look at that baby. Click next. You will have to do this.
Ready to add a device. Device added.
Oh. That's really good. I didn't realise it was going to be that easy. So that one's done. Let's do it again, shall we? That was really easy. Move that baby out of the way. Made me jump. So battery. Make sure you put the batteries in the right way round, of course. Yeah. Right, press that twice. Oops, I didn't do that twice. Hang on. There she goes. Flashing. Another one. Next. Next.
Ready to add a device. Device added.
Oh, that's so easy. Why can't all software be that easy? Or software and hardware? Let's do another one. One more. Oh, it's there, isn't it? Go like that. Right. Very good instructions, by the way. Quite impressed about that. Don't forget you can also label it up as well. Oh, don't put cover in Yorkie. Press that twice. No, didn't work. Not working. Have I put the batteries in wrong? I have. Oh, that one's not working. Have I got a dud? Come on. Let's try these batteries. Mate. Oh, I've got that. What did I say about putting the batteries in the right way? There you go. Oops.
Ready to add a device. Device added.
Job done. It is that easy. No messing about. So they're all set up. So I'm going to go finish. Right, and we need to finish that. So we have the water leaks and we have the thermos. And it's given temperature. So the temperature at the moment is 28.9. My computer says, or my processor's running at 33, so that's not bad. Humidity is 51.2. And that's on whatever one that is. Now, is there an alarm? It said they've got an alarm on it or something. Go into settings. So so you can do hour temperature, day temperature, weekly, monthly or yearly to get your graphs. Export data, yeah. All your data's in, okay. Let's get technical. What's this do up here? Fahrenheit, centigrade. Now, I'm old school, so normally I prefer Fahrenheit, but I am getting used to centigrade. Now, I know it's took me a long time, but I am getting there. Also, you can rename them. So you can give them their own personal name. You can change it to a different place, customised location. Say, for instance, like I said earlier, you want it in the bedroom because you want to monitor the baby's temperature or the room temperature for the baby. You can do that, or your greenhouse if you like. You can do that. So maximum temperature, okay, so it's 140 Fahrenheit. Let's go back to centigrade because I don't want to confuse all you young people. So 60, so maximum 60, minus 20. And I did say we're going to put one in the fridge, didn't we? Let's do that right now. So I put one in the fridge, and it'd be interesting to find out whether the signal can get out or not, because I'm not sure. But we will find out in a second, hopefully. Let's go back a bit. So where are we? We've got, that one's at 28, that one's at 28.9, and that one's at 29.4. So they are going to vary a little bit, but it did say minus plus 0.1 or something like that. I can't remember. Right, let's see which one drops down in temperature, and then I know which one's what. Oh, it's dropping, it's dropping. So it's thermohydrometer number 2 is now down 26. So it's working. Cool. Well, it's for that anyway. It's quite warm today. I think they give it 27, 28 Celsius today. Oh yes, it is working. Look, we've gone down to 24. So it takes a little while for it to, well, get cold. Yes, but that works. That is so easy. I am very impressed so far. I want to name them now. I want to give them names. I'm thinking about calling that one the fridge. For obvious reasons. Right, 29, 24. Yeah, it's definitely working here, that one. 24. Like I said, you can rename it. Location, customization. So click on that. And I'm going to do that. There you go, fridge. Save it. So we'll call that one the fridge. Cool. Go back. It's not in the kitchen, it's actually here, the fridge. So thermometer, kitchen, fridge. Da, da, da. And temperature is 22. Right, it definitely works. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to play about it for a few days just to see how good it is. I'm going to place this back to where it was, and this was in my living room, by the way. So it's studio, kitchen, living room. Yeah, there's a wall in front of that as well, and it's been working fine. It actually sits behind my TV because I wanted to try it at distance, and yeah, no issues with any of the equipment so far. Very pleased and impressed with not just Xsense but the software as well. I enjoy the software because it's easy to connect and it has a very good distance on it. So it's perfect for maybe even an office, you know, or a greenhouse, like I said earlier, or down in the shed. You know, I haven't got a greenhouse. Might get one day, you never know. So with that, I'll have a play about a bit. I'm going to see what else I can find out and get back to you. Yes, it is the same day, but I think I know enough now to tell you what I think about it and show you some of the functions I didn't show you earlier. So with that, let's get on with it, shall we? So, I now have one in the bedroom, and the temperature up there at 3:15 in the afternoon is 25 Celsius or 25.7 Celsius. The fridge, or the one in the fridge, which is this one here, fridge here, which is only for drinks, Coca-Cola, beer, wine, stuff like that. You know, fizzy, soft drinks for the children, you know, them sort of things, is 8.7 Celsius. And this one, which is this one here, is 28.8. And I think that's about right, because it is hot in here. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to show you some of the functionality. Obviously I can't show the daytime, week, month. We've only had it on like one day, literally. And I've been playing about a bit, but it's got some good little features. It's something you might find interesting, and it might help you to find out or fix any issues you might have. So first one is the test. Now you do need this with you or nearby so you can actually hear the test. Also you can set the actual temperature alarm, so you can move that down to where it was and back up there. I've been playing about with it like I just showed you, and I put that up to about there, and I brought that down to about 42, I think it was. Yeah, and you can also do it there, I think. Yes, it might be easier, so I've done that. Confirm, it just does the same sort of thing. So that's your range. That's what I've set this one for, just to play about with it. Now then, and also you can do the same with humidity as well, but I'm not going to be touching that. Enable alarm is turned on, continuous sounding is on, sound settings. You can change the tone, so you've got tone 1, tone 3. So that is coming out of there, not out of these. When I first done it, I thought, I can't hear nothing, because it comes out the bass unit. That sounds like a doorbell. I'm going to turn the volume down a bit. That's a bit better. I've got a dog. A bit loud, isn't it? That's the original one, I think. I'm not sure. Let me know which one you like. I like that one, but I think it's a bit too much. We'll stick with that for now. Right, now, should you need to test it to see if the battery's flat or not, device test. Now, device test is for that one, not any of the others, depending on which one you select. So, you know, if I went for that one, it'd be for that, but we are going for that one, which is this one. So, go up to the cog, scroll down, and device test. Here we go. It should light up. Give it a few seconds. There it goes. Firmware during kitchen testing for it works. But I'm not getting any audio, which is a little bit annoying really, because I thought, why not get no audio? Now I'm wondering if it's because that only works if you set the limits and it goes over the limits or under the limits. I don't know, because it's not making no sound, which is a little bit worrying, but it is sending me messages. What I'm going to do, just to prove the point, go up here and I'm going to set that, bring that down to there, but I'm going to bring that right down to 13. Now will that go off? Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go.
Alarm off.
Right, so we know that works. I wasn't sure if that would work or not, but yeah, it definitely works. So yeah, it definitely gets my thumbs up. I like it. I'm going to actually keep this one as well. I know I said I was going to keep the other one, which does the water leaks, and I have kept them. I still haven't decided where the place is. I'm thinking under the bath actually. And like I said, I've already placed 2 of these, one in the fridge for testing, one in the bedroom. That is not for testing, that is going to stay in the bedroom because I want to watch or monitor how warm it gets in there. Luckily I've got aircon up there as well, so that's a bonus. And I'm not sure where to put this. Any ideas? Got any ideas? Keep it clean. If you've got any good ideas, let me know. But like I said, I don't own a greenhouse, so it's no good putting it in the greenhouse because I haven't got one. Got a shed, but again, why would I worry about the temperature in the shed? Ideally, I'm probably going to put one in here because I want to see how bloody hot it gets in here. One in the bedroom, I might put one in the living room. That's a good idea actually. So with that, let me know if you do have any suggestions of where I should stick it. Keep it clean. With that, yeah, it definitely gets my thumbs up. Very easy to set up, without a doubt. It's, you know, one of the best bits of software I've had for quite a while. And yeah, I was surprised I didn't need a different base. I thought, yeah, it's not going to do everything, is it? But it does. So with that, if you like this video, you know what to do, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, you know what to do, give me the thumbs down and consider subscribing. Thank you very much for watching.